Welcome to day 2346 of What Ships You Know. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And I like to hop on every day for the most part. I think I've missed a few days in the last 7 years. Not too many, but a few, to discuss what I'm doing. Originally, as I transitioned from the offline brick and mortar corporate world of businesses to the online world of business. And many different hats and many different things I've done online versus offline, and then together both online and offline. Well, today and every day I've been doing an annual challenge. I guess this is my 7th year. I didn't realize online. I've done annual challenges for most of my life, but I didn't share them with anybody. They were just a personal thing that I did to move my life in the direction I wanted it to go. And about 7 years ago, as part of warming up my voice and getting over my fear of doing videos, I started to share my annual challenge. And this year's annual challenge is the Let's Grow annual challenge. We're doing one thing every day to grow in some way, shape, or form. And we're switching gears because it's a brand new month here in the challenge, month of July, as you can tell by the flaggish backdrop. We are talking about financial growth this month. So the first thing we do is we have to say, what does financial growth mean to and look like to me? What is financial health? What is financial well-being? Because that's usually what we're moving toward and what we want. How do I define those things? What is my definition of them? What is your definition of them? Because the only definition of it that matters is the one that you have. And sometimes we find out, and we will over the next few days as we examine our thoughts, beliefs, core values, etc., with respect to money and financial well-being and financial health. We'll uncover some of the things that might be causing us to struggle or resist creating the exact financial situation that we want for ourselves. So today we came up with our definition of that. For Supersize Your Business, we are talking about virtual reality for product demonstrations. And all I kept thinking about as I was talking about it was, wouldn't it have been awesome in the food industry if I had, the ability to do a virtual reality type taste testing of some of our products and services. We actually did in-store product demos for, 25 years, letting people sample and taste the products and services, which I don't think there's any substitute for people actually doing that. I'm not sure how you would do that virtually, but I'm sure there would be some ways that we could have promoted and done that as technology changes. And then if they're like, nah, I don't even eat pasta, well, then they don't have to waste their time. We don't have to waste our products and services, etc. So we talked about that and the different ways to apply it, what the advantages are, the disadvantages. Shared 3 businesses that are doing it really, really well. Lowe's, Audi, and IKEA all have really good examples of that, as well as things like I Buy Direct glasses, where you can actually put a picture of your face online and you can try on different frames and see what works for you. Those are just some that I have personally experienced and found really, really intriguing and fascinating to be able to engage and interact. And from a customer experience standpoint, try things before you buy them. Super powerful, right? A good car salesman knows that the most important thing you can do, the first thing you want to do, is get somebody behind the wheel of that car that they're looking at, because that allows the car and the product to sell itself. Often we talk way too much about the features and the benefits of different products and services, and we're just shooting in the dark to try to find out, if we don't ask questions first, what's most important to the person. But if you put the person behind the wheel of the car, if you walk the person through the house, if you let them taste your food, and they either decide if it's for them or not really, really quickly. So we talked about that today. 4th of July week here in the United States. I'm hanging out with 2 of my beautiful granddaughters. So I'm going to be busy, busy, busy. Still a little bit on couch potato duty, so we'll figure out how we make that work. But I've got people popping in and checking on us, so we will be absolutely fine. So that my daughter can sell fireworks and her husband can be a lineman, go out and bring electricity to the masses and make the world a better place. That's what we all do, our little bit to make the world a better place. If I can help you in any way, hit me up and ask. If I don't answer immediately, I'm probably changing a diaper. All right, have a great day, and I will, of course, be with you tomorrow.